Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add personal information to the Qjob application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then go to the top and click on personal information. Here you can set a profile picture by tapping on this camera icon and then selecting a picture from your gallery. Then you should indicate your name, your date of birth, then your city, phone number. You can add your email address, which is invisible for other users of the application. Then you can add account details such as the buyer or company name, zip code, city, street, and house number. And you can also add the tax number to request an invoice. And if you are done, you should tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then your profile will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.